Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And do I have something bizarre for you? Well, I think it's bizarre. Now, I did not find this directly. It was in a article on swling.com, which I've mentioned that website many times before. Lots of articles about radios and stuff like that, and they're updated with new articles every day. Anyway, this is a Nixie radio, and it seems like it's a kit. Now, right here, when I say that, is down here it says, whatever that is, introduces a new generation of electronic kits. The whole kit is made of a printed circuit board with a simple snap fit connection. You get a fully functional product. In this case, a battery powered radio / Bluetooth speaker. Now, it doesn't really say, oh, what's bizarre is it uses Nixie tubes for readout. It says these Nixie tubes stopped production back in 50 years ago. For this reason, this product will be available only in limited quantities of a maximum of a few hundred pieces. Right now, you can buy the first 100 pieces. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to buy 100 pieces. So, I'm not saying to buy one of these because it's $120, but it's on sale. Save $80, but it's $120, and I'm really not positive about the kit. What you get in the kit. It does say this product requires assembly. Okay. Now, if we come down here, it says Bluetooth connection to your phone, AM/FM tuner, retro design using Nixie tubes, portable internal battery, headphone output, supports MP3 player. Now, that's pretty bizarre. You got Nixie tubes for display, and you have the capability of a MP3 player. Everything will be delivered in kit form. Assembly duration is about 30 minutes to an hour. So again, I'm not saying to go buy one of these, although it would really be neat, and then you could report back on what it really is. But I just thought it was kind of interesting that somebody is doing this. I wish they had more pictures of what's in the kit. That just shows you the capabilities. As far as circuit board, and does it include this cover and the handle and all that stuff. I think I will try to write them and ask if I could get more details. And maybe they'll even send me one. That's a novel idea. I do have something coming up that's pretty cool that an eBay seller is sending me a sample copy to show you, and it's pretty cool. It's a radio accessory. I'll give you that hint. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm doing things that you're interested in. And have a great day. Bye-bye.